Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the vArmor case from Vena product. It's a great case with a belt clip and it is for iPhone 14 Pro Max. Stay tuned. Okay guys, this is the vArmor case for iPhone 14 Pro Max from Vena product. It's a great case with military grade. So this is my iPhone 14 Pro Max. So as you can see it here, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it inside of this case. But at first, let's open up the box and see what it looks like. So in the box we have the case itself and also the belt clip, and it has a nice good looking case. It's a military grade and it has a great drop protection. So this is what it looks like. It's a nice case, good looking. It has a nice belt clip that comes with it, so you can secure your phone on your belt. And also this is what the case looks like. It has a great protection for the cameras and also that nice cutout for the beautiful Apple logo. And as you can see, the four corners, they have the drop protections and the volume rocker, everything nice and cuddly. And inside it has a nice liner, soft liner, and it's a great looking case. So with this case you can compute with Otterbox and UAG. And this is the bottom. It has that cover that protects your phone from dust. So let's take the phone and put it inside the case, and you're gonna see that it's gonna look great. It has a great grip. When you hold it in your hands, you're gonna see that it is easy to hold. It doesn't slip away off of your hands. And as you can see, good looking case. And let's check out the sides. This is the power button, very responsive. And also you get those four corners that has the drop protection. And also let's turn it around. You're gonna see that it has really nice cutout. The volume rocker, for example, is very responsive. And as you can see, when I click it up and down, you're gonna see the volume goes up and down on the dynamic island. And it is a nice case, and the price is only $20. And as I mentioned, this case can compute with other bags and also with the UAG case for only $20. I think it's a great deal. So I have never been disappointed with this product. I always get a new case with a Vena product every time I have a new phone. So I had it on my Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra and also on Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra and my iPhone 10, and now on my iPhone 14 Pro Max. And this is the bottom cover that covers protects your phone from getting any dust into the USB port. And this case is a MegaSafe compatible with a drop protection, military grade drop protection, and it has a heavy duty belt clip with a kickstand. And as you can see, it looks magnificent. It looks great. The back looks nice. And also you see the Apple logo in the middle, nice cutout, and the camera protection, and it is really nice case. It also works with wireless charging, so you can charge your phone wirelessly with no issues. And let's check out what else comes with it. There's a lot of papers that came with the case, some coupons, and also some instruction about how to install it. And as you can see it here, and let's open up that little red card. This one has some it shows you the product from Vena, such as they have battery packs and also USB cables. You can get it from their website. And guys, to get this case, I got it from Amazon for $20, and check the link down below for more detail. It takes you straight to the website, and it is $19.99. And with this QR code you can get some free stuff such as discount and some also limited warranty. And let's go ahead and check out the belt clip. The belt clip is very nice, and it's heavy duty, and it has a kickstand. And that belt clip, it is 360. You can rotate it 360 degrees. And let's put the phone inside the belt clip. You're gonna see how it looks like, but it looks nice when you put that on your belt. It looks very nice with the back of the phone. Aesthetically it is beautiful, and as you can see it here. And now when you want to take it out, just pinch that side here in the side button, and you can take the phone out and put it back on. And this heavy duty belt clip is great for people that are working in construction sites. All you have to do is just slide the phone inside and clip it, and when you want to take it off, just push that button and it opens up. and you can use the belt clip as a kickstand to watch movies or anything else. And as you can see, it looks great, very nice. And like I say, it's only $20, and this one can compete with Otterbox and UAG. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that I can notify you every time I upload a new video on YouTube. Thank you for watching, and give me thumbs up.